Hello guys! In this video, I'll be showing you how to create poll on Facebook page in mobile. To start, open your Facebook app and then tap on menu icon. Now switch to your page. Now tap on What's on your mind. And then you can see right here this poll option. Just click on that. You can now create poll options. You can write whatever you want, and you can also add a picture if you want. Now click on Done. Now enter a question. And then finally, click on Post. That's it! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.